Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing something totally different, not related to being in Japan. I think I'm doing this video because there are people out there who genuinely are not at a happy place in their life, and I think that this video can help to motivate them to work towards their dream or whatever it is that they need to work towards. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing 5 tips that I have used to remain positive. Number 1, always be positive. You know, there are many times when things might happen and it might put you in a bad mood, or it might change your mood. Like, you probably plan your day this way and it doesn't work out. I'm telling you today to be positive. No matter what happens, just always be positive. Always use whatever negativity that comes your way, always try to turn it around and make it into something positive. Number 2, learn from your mistakes. For me, anything that happens that is negative in my life, I always just learn from it. I always let it be a lesson for me, and I also let it be something that motivates me. So a little about myself. I have started so many businesses before that have failed. Some have been successful, but I didn't continue it. Some have failed from the start, but because I am working towards an end result, that is what is driving me to continue to find or continue to build these ideas that I have. So that's what you need to do. If, for example, you start something, it doesn't work out, maybe you need to try a different approach. Maybe you need to probably forget about that plan and work on something new. You need to, well, the next step, well, I'll share with you what you need to do. All right, so number 3, you need to write down your goals. All your goals, your long-term, medium-term, long-term goals, and you also need to write realistic timelines for those goals. For example, say your short-term goals, you need to, for each goal, you need to narrow it down. You need to make a list of things that you need to do to ensure that you are working towards your goal. So coming to Japan is also a part of my goal. There are many reasons why I came to Japan. One being because I want to start businesses, and Japan is on the continent that is close to the country that I want to do business with. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why I came here. I also came here because I need to improve on my public speaking skills. So the job that I do, I have to stand in front of probably almost 40 students and teach. So of course that is building my confidence in public speaking. So that's a good thing for me. So you need to find your reason. Why do you want to achieve these goals? Why? What's the end result? When you write these goals, you need to write down why is it important for you to work towards these goals. Is it because you see someone doing it and you just decide, oh, it's probably something that you want to do? If that's the case, then I don't think that's wise for you to use that approach, because when things don't go your way, then you're gonna abandon that goal because this is not something that you are enthusiastic about. You understand? So write down your goals and write down realistic time frames for your goals. Number 4, don't dwell on failures. This is similar to number 2. Whenever something doesn't go right, you need to move on. Simple. Just move on. Continue. Don't let this thing called failure stop you from doing something that could, in the long run, make you reach your goal. Number 5, this is the most important thing, to be optimistic, right? Hopefully you are someone that's spiritual. So the most important thing that I would say to remain optimistic is to always remember that no matter what you're going through, you have someone there to talk to. You have someone there that will always listen to you, and you have someone there to guide you, and that person is of course God, right? So whenever you feel like you have reached a place where you can't go on anymore, always remember that God is there. Like I'm not like super religious, but I believe in God, and I try to have a relationship with God. Yeah, and like whenever I'm going through any tough time, I always try to talk to God as much as I can, because like who else can I trust? Who else can help me or guide me? Who else know what path I'm supposed to take? No one but God, right? So I have to just release everything on Him. All right. Okay, so that's pretty much the 5 tips that I have for you. Again, number 1, always be positive. Number 2, learn from your failures. Number 3, write down your goals with realistic time frames. Number 4, move on. Don't dwell on the past, or don't dwell on failures. And number 5, the most important one, is always pray. Always remember that God is here and God is on your side. Alright, so that's all that I have for you for today. I hope this has made you somewhat motivated, optimistic, driven, ready to work on your goals. You know, this is 2019. The year is not over as yet. You still have time to work on whatever it is that you want to achieve in life. So just do it. Alright, just do it. Anyways, that's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.